Hi guys, welcome back to my quirky kitchen. Christmas is around the corner. Today I'm going to share with you a mini gingerbread decoration video. So I have used IKEA's mini gingerbread cookies to make these super cute gingerbread houses. So let's get started. Before you start decorating, do buy this box of IKEA gingerbread houses, or you can make your own using my ginger cookies recipe. I've shared the link in the description box below. For the eggless royal icing, you will need some sifted icing sugar. Add some water to it and mix well till there are no lumps. Add some liquid glucose and mix till it's dissolved. Now add some lemon juice and mix again. Once the royal icing is ready, if you think it's too thick, add more water to it, and if you think it's too thin, add more icing sugar to it. Here I've added some white gel food color to brighten it up a bit. Now it's time to decorate the cookies. Fill the piping bag with the royal icing and draw along the outline given on the cookies. If you're making your own gingerbread cookies, there will be more space for creativity. This icing dries out pretty fast, so make sure you work quickly. You can add different kinds of sprinkles, chocolate chips, or any other kind of confetti, edible confetti of your choice. Decorating these cookies is so fun, so don't forget to include your family, friends, and especially kids. Once the icing is completely dried out, put some icing on the sides of the cookie and stick them together to form a beautiful mini gingerbread house. Let the base dry out a bit and only then stick the roof. Finally, pipe some royal icing on the top. And there it is. Mini gingerbread house is ready. I hope you liked this easy royal icing recipe, the decoration and the gingerbread house. Don't forget to give it a try. Thank you for watching my quirky kitchen. Do subscribe for more such interesting and quirky recipes. Bye bye.